Hey guys, this is Voiceman here. Today I'll be showing you how to install ApeX Pro TradingView Alert Listener on Localhost. But before that, a quick update to the last video. The ApeX Pro team has made it easier to export your Stark and API keys. Simply click on your address on the top right of your screen. Click on Export Private Key, then click Agree. Now you can simply copy and paste all these details for further use. Now let's get into installing TradingView Alert Listener on Localhost. First, you need to install Docker and Node.js on your system. You can do that by going to the Docker and Node.js website and downloading the installer from there. Once you have Docker and Node.js installed, we can now head on to downloading the ApeX Pro TradingView Listener script from GitHub. Click the link from the guide and download the script, then extract it. Open the extracted folder. Now we need to edit .env file and paste the Stark keys, API keys and user ID here. Now save the file and open a terminal from that folder. Now type npm install --force, then press enter and wait for npm to install the required packages. Once it's done, type docker-compose build, then press enter and wait for Docker to build the container. After Docker has built the container, just start the container by typing docker-compose up-d and press enter. We can see a container is running by using the docker ps command. Now open a new terminal tab and within the terminal tab type docker run-it-e ngrok_auth token equals. After the equals section, paste your auth token from the ngrok website here. Then type --net equals host ngrok/ngrok http://at, then press enter. Copy the forwarding link and paste it into the browser. Click Visit Site. Now you should be able to see ApeX account ready true. It means that the listener is connected to your account and is working properly. For further setting up TradingView alerts, check out my previous video or check the Medium article. Links for both the video and the Medium article is provided in the description section. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.